Very good evening, students present here. I have to mute. Mute all இருக்கும்ல mute all இருக்கும்ல எங்க இருக்கு நேத்து பண்ணோம் இங்க வரல என்ன இல்லைன்னா அதர்வைஸ் இங்க இருக்குமே
சார் இங்க ஜூம்ல வந்து எல்லாரையும் மியூட் பண்றது எப்படி சார்? செக்யூரிட்டி.
ஓகே செக்யூரிட்டி.
ஆமா சார். மியூட் ஆன் இது தான் சார் மியூட் ஆன்.
செக்யூரிட்டி எனேபிள் Q&A
ஆல் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட் மறுபடியும் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்க சார். ஆல் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் மியூட் அப்படின்னு செக்யூரிட்டி தான்.
அன்மியூட் தான் இருக்கு
சார். அன்மியூட் ஜங்ஷன்ஸ் தான் இருக்கு.
அதை எடுத்து விட்டுறணும்.
இல்ல சார் அங்க அன்மியூட் ஜங்ஷன்ஸ் தான் இருக்கு சார். அப்படி போல
இங்க மியூட் ஆல் எங்க இருக்கு? என்ன இடையில
எல்லாம் மியூட்ல தான் சார்
எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க. பட் அதான் செக்யூரிட்டில ஓகே
அன்மியூட் தெம்செல்ஸ்னா அவங்களுக்கு அவங்களே
அன்மியூட் பண்ண முடியும். இப்ப எடுத்துட்டு பண்ண முடியாது. பட் இது நம்ம மியூட் பண்ண தேவையில்ல.
சார். இப்ப எல்லாமே மியூட்ல தான். இது டிக் பண்ணாம இருந்தா அவங்க வந்து பண்ண முடியாது.
யாரா
பண்ண முடியாது. டிக் பண்ணா அவங்க பண்ணலாம்.
ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஓகேங்க, நான் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்பீக்கர் வந்து ஒரு அர்ணாப் சார். மெயின் கோஹோஸ்ட். அடுத்தது வந்து இவங்க தேவி ராஜேஸ்வரி மேடம். அண்ட் மூணாவது ஸ்பீக்கர் ஒரு வெங்கட் சார் இல்லைங்களா?
Yes, sir. Good evening,
ஓகே
sir.
சார், தேங்க்யூ.
Sir.
ஓகேங்க, நான் சொல்றேன். என் பிஎஸ்சி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மட்டும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் நான் கொடுத்துறேன். Yeah, good evening, students. Very sorry for the delay. It's almost 3 minutes delay today. So welcome you for this webinar today. It's especially only for the biotech students. So those who applied for integrated MSc in biotechnology after your 12th class, as well as food science and technology, and the undergraduate students who applied for biotechnology, microbiology, and biomedical genetics. If any other students who applied for maths or physics or chemistry or computational statistics, and as well as 2 years MSc course like physics, chemistry, and then data analytics, and as well as business analytics. For you, yesterday itself, the session was over, and only for integrated MTech, one more session is left out. That is by tomorrow. So if any of the students who applied for integrated MTech, you can attend by tomorrow. So this session is exclusively for the bio specialized students who belongs to either 12th class or an undergraduate degree. And you may question how comes the same webinar will help both of you. See, this course, this particular webinar is for the biotech specialization. And here, actually, it's more towards the infrastructure and about the faculties and all about the credentials of the department. Okay, so that is the one. So Ravinder, actually, you are keep on disturbing the screen. I'll remove you. Okay, so this is not a play field. Okay, once again, if I see you are disturbing the screen, you will be removed from the meeting. Okay, so this is the last warning. We are recording everything. Your admissions will be cancelled. We will track you. Okay, so don't disturb the screen. So the intention is to explore the department. Okay, so that is the thing. So it's common for both integrated 5 years course as well as the 2 years course. And the same 5 years course students, they are going to go to the 4th year and do the MSc Biotechnology. It's almost the similar syllabus, and you will be studying the common content. And the facilities are common, and all infrastructure, it's going to be the common one. So first, I'll give a small introduction about the PG admissions office. Then the speakers will deliver their webinar. Okay. Our office, we offer 2 years program as well as 5 years program in all the fields. For example, science, engineering, arts. In every field, we are offering the courses. So first, let me see what are the courses offered here. So you can see these are all the engineering programs offered. For this, there is an entrance examination called WITME is conducted. It was already conducted on May 5th, and the examination is over and the results are over, and today we are declaring the results. Okay, so these are all the 22 courses offered in Vellore, starting from biotechnology up to MDes in industrial design. And in Chennai, we are offering 9 programs, almost similar programs what offered in the Vellore. And in AP, we are offering only VLSI design. And in Bhopal, we are offering 3 different specializations, 1 in VLSI and 2 in computer science. Okay. And hope all of you know that we have 5 different campuses, one at Vellore and another one in Chennai, and one at AP and another one at Bhopal, and then the Bangalore campus. Bangalore campus, it's joint study programs are offered. That's why we didn't list the courses here. It's 1 year study here and 1 year outside the country. And these are all the 5-year integrated programs what we offer to the 12th class students. For them, one option is what you applied, integrated 5-year MSc programs. And another option is this 5-year integrated MTech engineering programs. So these are all the courses we offer. Almost every campus we offer the software engineering. And similarly, in collaboration with industry, we offer MTech computer science engineering in collaboration with Virtusa. And similarly, the data science and other specializations like business analytics, artificial intelligence, cyber security, and computational and data science, all we offer in all 4 campuses. So for this, the difference is eligibility is 70%. So the eligibility is not overall percentage like your MSc courses. Here the eligibility is PCM average. So maths, physics, chemistry altogether, if you total it and divided by 3. So whatever the average you're getting, that should be more than 70%. That is merely the eligibility. To secure a seat, you should score a very good percentage. So this is non-engineering programs, which is a 2 years program. So you can see this a traditional MBA and MCA courses is offered at Vellore and Bhopal, and physics, chemistry, as well as data science is offered in Vellore, Chennai, and AP. In addition to that, the unique biotechnology program, applied microbiology and biomedical genetics, where you are looking for admission, that is also offered only in Vellore, and as well as business statistics and MSW, all are offered additionally in Vellore. So here the eligibility is 60% of marks in any of the university. So that is the eligibility again. Again here, what we will do is we will be sorting out in terms of the percentage of the marks scored, and then there will be a cutoff, and based on that you will be allocated. And in yesterday's session, many students, they asked whether we have to apply individually to all campuses. Not required. Actually, one single application is enough. At the time of counseling, you can opt the courses as well as the campus. For example, if you see here, if you studied BSc Biotechnology or in general any bio field, then you are eligible for all 3 programs: Biotechnology, Applied Microbiology, as well as biomedical genetics. So in your counseling portal, you will get all these 3 courses. In addition to that, in other campus, if the same course is offered, you will get that also. For example, MSc Chemistry. So you'll get option here in Vellore, Chennai, as well as AP. Okay, so no different applications are required. If the course is offered in other campuses, that will come in the counseling. Okay, that is for integrated course. Actually, it's offered in Bhopal also. So obviously, you will get that in the counseling portal. So this is the integrated programs what we offer in other campuses too. So Chennai campus also, this year we started applied psychology. So it all depends on your 12th class subjects. For example, if you studied PCMB, then you are eligible for all the courses. Okay, whether it's biotech or food science and technology or computational statistics or physics or chemistry, mathematics, all these programs you are eligible. And in your counseling portal, you will get all these courses. In addition to that, the Bhopal campus integrated MSc Biotechnology. Whether you gave willingness or applied or not, all you are eligible. And at the time of counseling, you can choose the campus and you can prioritize. For example, you may be interested in studying food science. So you can give that as a priority one. And until the deadline, until the counseling deadline, because the application deadline is May 31st. Until the counseling deadline, it will be in the month of June, maybe on 4th and 5th. So in any time until the deadline, you can edit the options. For example, first you may prefer food science and technology. Later, you may think that, no, I want biotech. I'll put that as a first priority. You can edit it. Okay, all those options are there in the counseling portal. For example, if you are a PCMB student, then you will have all options. So mathematics will be there, chemistry will be there, physics will be there, computation statistics will be there, food science and technology will be there, as well as biotech. So all these options you can edit and sort, you can prioritize. So how you will be allocated with the courses, we are not doing anything manually and no manual intervention. Actually, it's a algorithm based on which it will be allocated. So your first option, the computer, the algorithm will check. And the first option, if it's already for your rank, if it's over, then it will go for the second option. So until your option is ticked, it will check one by one as per your priority. So your priority will come into play only when your rank gets the option. Okay, so first option will be for the first rank, and then the second rank, and then the third rank holder. So when your rank comes, then your priority plays the major role. Okay, accordingly, the course will be allocated. So no manual intervention or nothing we do with this system. And in the case of integrated MSc courses, it's 60% is the eligibility, and it's the overall percentage. But whereas integrated MTech, it will be PCM average, as well as the eligibility is 70%. And again, that algorithm, it works based on the normalization, actually. So different board marks will be there, all will be normalized. Okay. So, and then only the allocation of the seat will happen. So normalization process will happen in between. So these are all the details about admission. I'm giving 100% transparency in this. Okay, so nothing to hide, and it will be done by the system. So next is research programs. So you may ask why I should know about the research programs. The reason is, see, the national education policy is implemented, and actually, as per national education policy, any four-year undergraduate student can do PhD directly. Okay, so the next option is, for example, in the all these 5-year course, if you see, it's with the exit option. So what does mean by this exit option? This is also as per national education policy, and you're joining for a 5-year course, but after 3 years, you have some commitment and you want to leave in between, and then again you want to come back, so you can quit that program and you can get a BSc degree and you can go. Okay, again later after 1 or 2 years you can join for MSc by means of 2 years MSc program, and then you can complete your postgraduate degree. Or at the end of 4th year you have some urgency so that you quit, then you can quit with BSc with honors degree. And this is applicable only for the physics, chemistry, mathematics stream, not for biotechnology, food science, or computational statistics. So for integrated students, I'm saying you may be eligible for biotech, food science, as well as PCM. And if you choose PCM, then physics or chemistry or mathematics, then this exit option comes into play. And after 4 years, you can join for a PhD, which is offered in VAT itself. So everywhere now we are bringing this change. So after 4 years degree, whatever you join, that's called as direct PhD. After masters, if you join, it's called as PhD. So direct PhD right now, you can see only the engineering branches are there. So once if this 4-year students started coming out this year onwards, we are going to offer a direct PhD for science stream also. So you can see in Vellore, Chennai, and what all the streams offered here. Direct PhD is not there in AP or Bhopal campus. And this is the PhD program after your master's degree. You can see here all the science streams are given, because right now itself, these graduates are available, okay, for joining PhD. So that's why we offer it. Whereas in the direct PhD, soon, very soon, we will get all these 4-year graduates. At the time, they can get the direct PhD. So these are all the branches. You name any branch, it's there in VAT Vellore, starting from Tamil, Hindi, French, management, design, and all. And Chennai, again, agree. So here it will be slightly different. The reason is it's accredited by ICAR, and we offer only 10 specialization in agriculture. So in this, 5 specializations are offered in the June session, and remaining 5 sessions it's offered in the December session. Okay, as well as we have architecture, as well as hotel and tourism management. In that also we offer PhD here in Vellore campus. Chennai, almost the same subjects are offered in Chennai, except geology is a bit unique there, as well as laws offered in the Chennai. Okay, law, textiles, and fashion all are offered in the Chennai. And again, AP almost similar, and there also you can see the law program and psychology and French and geography. Similarly, Bhopal, so all engineering branches, in addition to that, management and economics PhDs offered at Bhopal campus. And why VIT? Okay, so how to fix a university for your higher education? Whether it's going to be your masters or your what is that, integrated masters, whatever it may be. On what basis you will choose? Merely word of mouth, if you believe. It all depends on the person who's going to assess the university. Someone may have a good experience, someone may have a bad experience, and based on that they'll comment on a particular university or a college, so which won't be that great option. If you refer someone, one or two people, and then you decide, you may end up in a disappointment. So generally, in case, this is a common rule, it doesn't matter whether you join VAT or any other institute. Generally, this is the yardstick what you can follow. So internationally, if you want to rate a university, go for international ranking system. So QS is worldwide ranking system, which rates every university in the world, almost every country, every university. So in that, if you see, our subject ranking in mathematics is 200 and to 250, and biotech and chemistry, as well as physics, all in the band of 300 to 400. Okay, the speakers will give you the exact ranking position. So in world, we are in top 500 ranking, all these subject ranking, university ranking also, we are in 800. Okay, so that way, if you see the same institutes in India, okay, if you want to compare the institutes within India, you want to compare the institutes, because every institute will not be there in the world ranking. Okay, so on that case, if you want to compare it within India, then better you go for NIRF ranking, which is done by the government agency, and which is a very genuine ranking considered in India. So in that also, you can see that VAT is in top 10 along with IITs. And if you compare this and QS ranking, almost it will be same. After few IITs, you will be seeing only VAT in the list, in the top 10 list. In addition to that, if you see the Stanford University's ranking, actually, this particular research work is done by Stanford University professors every year, and they rate professors based on their publications, citations, and collaborations, and with the first author papers or corresponding author papers in every field. Okay, so in that, they identify a top two scientists using a particular algorithm. In that, if you see 50 plus professors are there in the list, top two scientists list. Okay, so in all campus together, it will be more than 60. So that way, also you can see that we have topmost scientists as your teachers. And you may ask that more than hundreds and thousands of teachers are there in VAD, only 50 are there. Okay, in world it's 50, and it doesn't mean that other professors are not doing a good work. See, in every field, for example, in my field, if you see bioceramics, so many people will work. In certain fields, it will be less number of people. So the attaining top 2%, it all depends on the time and number of publications and this thing. But even every professor here in VIT, they collaborate with many countries, and in collaboration only they publish the work. And even with undergraduate students and postgraduate students, we publish articles. So there is a chance for you, being a biologist, you will be connected to internationally reputed universities. For example, we collaborate with University of Malay, and similarly, many professors from here, they collaborate with Nanyang or National University of Singapore. Okay, so topmost universities all over the world, they collaborate. So you will have a chance to interact with those researchers when you work with the professor here at VIT. So that exposure you will get. In addition to that, lot of clubs and chapters, 250 clubs and chapters are there. Some of them are specific to a field. So, for example, catalysis club is there. So only those who are interested in catalysis, they can be there. Or you are interested in music, drama, or dance, everything we have a club, trekking. Okay, and even racing cars to make it, and everything. We have a club, so you can work, and you can work as a team. You can go compete worldwide, and you can win prizes. So that kind of exposure is also there at VIT. So this is the fellowships offered to scholars at VIT. So every month they'll get this money. So direct PhD after undergraduation, they'll be getting gate qualified students will get 21,000 for first and second year, and 30,000 for third and fourth year. And others will get 16,000 in first and second year, and 25,000 in third and fourth year. And if you see for PhD, after master's degree, if you join for PhD, then gate qualified will get 31,000 in first year and 35,000 for second and third year every month. This is. And others non-gate qualified, you will be getting 25,000 in the first year and 31,000 in second and third year every month. In addition to the every review paper publication, we give some awards, some money. Okay. And similarly, um, okay. Similarly, you can see that you get all kind of fellowships offered by UGC or CSIR here also. And in addition to that, Raman Research Award is there for every publication. So the first publication will fetch some money, second publication, third. So every publication, there is an increment like 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, and 30,000 like that. And you will be given a reward for whatever the publication you do. And as I said, we collaborate with universities. You can see the field wise biotech. You can see that how many universities we collaborate. And in addition to that, personal collaborations will be there. All 120 biotech faculties, they collaborate with some countries and some professors outside the India. Okay. And you can see in different field, it's almost 500 collaborations, sorry, 500 MOUs we have with foreign universities, almost in every country. And regarding the placement, you can see these are all the companies come for postgraduate programs, including MBA, MCA, everything. And this is few companies I listed as a sample. So you can see here MSc Data Science and Integrated Biotech, MSc Integrated Biotech. They are getting super dream offer. You can see here. This is the super dream offer. With 9.83 lakh CTC last year. This is the last year data. This year still the placement is going on. So almost you name any branch, a sample I gave here because the same PPT I'm using for everyday's webinar to give the intro. So it's almost 9 lakh package you can get for integrated biotech here. And very few facilities I put my favorite buildings and photographs I selected and I put here. So Vellore campus, this is the facilities at Vellore campus. The Vellore campus is almost 325 acres, and you can see the Technology Tower, Silver Jubilee Tower, PRP, and Mahatma Gandhi block. So these are all the various blocks where different schools are functioning. So School of Advanced Sciences functions in Technology Tower, and Vishweshwaraya building is there, and which is not shown here, but anyway, the biotech students and all, you will be there in the SMB building only. And Chennai campus, this is the entrance, and Chennai campus is also close to 150 acres, and AP similarly, as well as Bhopal, which is in 300 acres. And with this short introduction, I complete my presentation. And so now let me move on to the webinar. So now I'll check with the speakers. Our first speaker is Professor Arnold Emerson. Sir, you're there in the forum? Yes, okay.
Yes,
He shared the PPT. Small intro about Professor Arnold Emerson. Actually, he is here for last 20 years, and he's a very good researcher, published more than 50 articles in reputed journals. And he is the professor and head of the department for biosciences. So with this introduction, now I invite Professor Arnold Emerson to give webinar on School of Biosciences and Technology, the Department of Biosciences, about the Department of Biosciences. Sir, please, the forum is yours.
Yes.
Please give your webinar.
Thank you, Dr. Sasikumar. Thank you for the introduction. And in this, good evening, everyone. And I'm Arnold Emerson, heading the Department of Bioscience. So this department offers a two program, which is MSc Biotechnology, which is a 2-year program. And also we offer another integrated MSc program, which is Food Science and Technology. And it's a 5-year program. After 12th, the students will join here and they will study for the next 5 years. So now for the webinar, we are going to see the importance or the current trends in biotechnology. And then my colleagues, other HODs will give you the department structure and they will give you the facilities in our department. So as you all know that the field, this modern biotechnology, which is a field of growing importance nowadays, where you can see this modern biotechnology is a rapid growing field that has potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. So in this presentation, we will explore some of the key areas of focus in modern biotechnology, as well as the career opportunities available in this field, and some of the emerging trends that shapes the future of biotechnology. So coming to medicine now, the modern biotechnology focuses on more on medicines. So as you all know that this is the one of the primary applications of modern biotechnology is in this field of medicine. Biotechnology companies as well as research institutions are working on developing new drugs, new treatment for the rare diseases, and also including other untreatable diseases. So in addition to this development of new drugs and treating the patients, genetic testing is also becoming an increasing important in diagnosing diseases and identifying individuals who are at risk for developing certain conditions. So not only in the medicine, our biotechnology fields are also in other fields, like you can see here. They are in agriculture. We can also apply applications in alternative energy, environmental science. So particularly if you see in the field of biotechnology is being used to develop crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases. So whereas in alternative energy, where you can see and renewable sources such as like corn and switch grasses are used to generate the alternative energy for like what we are using now, like petrol and diesels. And coming to environmental sciences, which is used to develop technologies to clean up the pollution as well as remediate contaminated sites. Nowadays, our country is polluted with air as well as water and noise pollution and air pollution. So this kind of environmental science will help to eliminate those, improve those areas. So coming to careers in biotechnology, where you can see now the master students, the master degree in biotechnology can prepare you for a wide range of careers in this exciting field. Some of the most common career paths for biotechnology graduates include biomedical engineering, clinical technology, microbiology, epidemiology, genetic counseling. So now I'm going to next a few slides. I'm going to talk about what are the recent trends in biotechnology. Now, as you all know that recently we are in the field of artificial intelligence. So where we can, most of the applications are developed with the help of machine learning and artificial intelligence. And where you can see that in nowadays, even in biotechnology, this next generation computing revolutionized the biotech applications. Say, for example, these machine learning and artificial intelligence is allowing biotechnology company to push their boundaries of research as well as in the development of new drugs and a new type of applications that can be used in the hospital setting. So not only this machine learning and artificial intelligence, we can also see this another important technology called cloud computing, which allows companies to store and analyze the data without having to invest in a extensively hardware infrastructure. So the data will be available as a cloud. Anyone can download the data, and you can analyze and you can store it in the cloud itself. So these are the recent technologies which are revolutionizing the biotech areas. And then not only what is the impact of next generation computing is that nowadays in normal way, if you want to develop a new drug, it requires 10 years of time. But with the help of artificial intelligence and cloud computing, it increases the development of the new drugs. Not only new drugs, it reduces the cost associated with the drug development. So not only this, it increases the efficiency in the manufacturing process, and also it will be more personalized medicines you can prepare with the help of these computing facilities. So another advantage of this machine learning and artificial intelligence is that you can do a lot of collaborations. Also, you can maintain intellectual properties. So you can see that if for example, it supports collaboration among stakeholders. So stakeholders are nothing but the institutions are working in the particular project, or the companies or the pharmaceutical companies that are working in the particular project to develop a new ideas or new drugs. They can collaborate easily with the help of these facilities. So multinational firms, small companies, academia, and government also can collaborate. And with the help of these intellectual properties, you can see that it opens the research to a wider range of expertise. Not only a biotech area department, not like other computer, electronics, and mechanical department can combine to share their knowledge and develop new ideas. And this is very important when we create a new model, or when you develop a new drug, we should be very careful about their intellectual properties. So by using this AI, we can increase the collaboration, as well as we can increase the IP protections. So with the help of this, larger teams can involve, and longer projects, like more than 10 years or 20 years projects, can be done without any deviation from the aim of the project. Considering this intellectual property prediction, so what we can do is we can, with the help of this IP, we can financially benefit from our innovations and ideas. The next thing I'm going to talk about the clinical trials. Clinical trials have traditionally been slow. You know that clinical trials, in the normal way, the doctors will treat the patients, and they will take the data. So it will be on manual data collection. But when with this, the scope of this method, clinical trial, is very slow. But now with the help of new technologies, okay, so this will transform the clinical trial landscape, making it faster, more efficient, and accessible to a wider range of participants. Now we are in the era of power of digitalization. As you all know that nowadays, whatever we do, it's becoming digital data. That's why new programs are emerging, like data science and other data intellectual properties. So where you can see, particularly in clinical trials, it goes more digital wise, so that it reaches wider people, where technologies and monitoring tools allow us, the participants, and to collect more data about the patients. So finally, with the help of machine learning, we can easily predict the effective treatment, as well as identify the potential use of existing drugs. Now, this is also another area where medicines for rare diseases. So you can see that rare diseases like genetic sequencings are there, that is next generation sequencing. And in the field of medicine, particularly for rare disease, the medicine will be more personalized. So with the help of this technology, it allows us for extensive screening of patients, and leading to the development of personalized treatment and plans and targeted therapies. So this therapy is having a more significant effect than a traditional one. And with the help of this technology, we can quickly identify the therapies which are required for a particular person. Then even that is a targeted therapy. These are the advantages which reduces the cost, and you can provide a personal treatment for a particular patients, and it will be more effective than the traditional. And it is focusing on patient-specific genetic and molecular makeups. So now I will come on the next few slides. I'm going to discuss about the opportunities in biotechnology. There are various opportunities are there. Here I have mentioned only 10. The next slide, I'm going to show you the next five important opportunities. So advancement in precision medicine. So you know that you with the help of this advancement precision medicine, what you can do is you can personalize the diagnostic. You can generate a personalized diagnostic, and you can generate genomic medicine, and leading to more effective and efficient healthcare. So coming to gene editing technology, particularly nowadays, the one of the revolutionizing technology called CRISPR-Cas9 has revolutionized gene editing facility. With the help of this, we can significantly increase the disease treatment, as well as not only in the clinical setup and also in agriculture and bioengineering. Coming to agriculture biotechnology, you know that our field, our country is based on agricultural field, and we have, if you want to yield a large amount of yield, so what you can do is you can do a research, and you can identify how to resist pests and diseases, and you can generate a nutrition content for a particular food products that facilitates yield in a larger scale. So not only in that agricultural biotechnology, industrial biotechnology is also one of the very interesting area where you can see bio-based chemicals like materials and fuels, which reduces the what we use now, foil fuels, right? So that we can that people can use in the contributing to the environmental sustainability. So coming to environmental biotechnology, this includes the use of bioremediation techniques. So how to clean up the contaminated sites, and how to develop the bio-based alternatives to traditional industrial process. Then these are the next five different areas where you have very good opportunities, like pharmaceuticals and drug development. And this is another area which bioinformatics and data analysis, where computer science engineers and other department engineers are involved in this particular area. So with the help of this bioinformatics and data science, it enables us to analyze the biological data, genomic sequences, and also we can create more templates for drug discoveries. So not only in this, we also have a personalized nutrition and health. And this based on individual genetic profile, you can create a dietary requirements and health status. And finally, you can see the regulatory and ethical consideration. This is very important thing we need to follow when you create a product, that you need to follow the regulatory consideration, ethical consideration for a particular state or particular country. And in addition, these are the things which I want to share you. And we have another interesting program called SAP program, Semester Abroad program, where students can go abroad for 6 months, and they can do their research. As our the PG admission director has mentioned, we have 500 collaborations with the foreign universities. So you can apply, and you can get the 6 months project in foreign universities. As these are the biotech companies like Bharat Biotech, Pfizer, and these are the core companies which Orchid Chemicals, Organic Biotech, and so these are the few core companies which which are the companies which recruits people from our biotech department. So, and thank you. Now I request the other department heads to share their web presentation.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I'll introduce, then
Yes,
then they'll
yes.
start the
Thank you,
presentation.
sir.
I have to do introduction. Thank you, sir. It was an extraordinary presentation by Professor Arnold Emerson, the HOD of Biosciences. Excellent presentation. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. And before starting the next session, already you started posting your questions in the Q&A and chat. More than 100 questions I'm able to see. See, at the end of the session, we will answer all the questions by naming you and your question. Okay, so don't be in hurry. So you wait until the end of the session, then you post your questions, and don't post repeated questions. Okay, give chance to others also. And some of the questions what you asked is a common information which I'll share at the end of the presentation. So the next speaker of today's session is Professor Devi Rajeshwari. Madam is also here for more than 22 years. And Dr. Devi Rajeshwari, she published more than 150 articles with close to 4,000 citations with very high H index and I-10 index. And she published in high impact journals, a lot of high impact journals, and one of the well-known researcher in her field. So now, Madam is going to present about opportunities in microbiology and genetics, which will be useful for 2-year MSc students who applied for MSc Microbiology and Biomedical Genetics. Madam, forum is yours. Please start your webinar.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for introducing this. Very good evening to all. I will introduce myself. I am Dr. Devi Rajeshwari, heading the Department of Biomedical Sciences, School of Biosciences and Technology. So SBST have a 4 different programs. It's VIT is
Ma'am,
ranked 8th in. Sir?
please make your slides full screen, ma'am. It's not in full screen mode. Please
Okay,
make it as a
okay.
full. Yeah.
Now it's, sir?
Yeah, it's full screen, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, please proceed.
Okay.
Sorry for the interruptions.
Okay, no problem. So, what we are going to see now. So, I will go for the small introduction about the schools and departments. Who are all there? That is faculty details. What we have done so far. That is output. What do we offer? The programs details and what facilities do we have? And so, what do we more to enrich your learning experience? And finally, what do you get at the end of these studies, such as placements and academic institutions? Okay, so I will give a small introduction about the schools. This school was started in 2001. It's a youngest school in university, and 2012 we have got a DST fist grant with the procuring of scanning electron microscopy worth rupees 1.3 crores. In 2019 we have got the India's 10 best institution of biological sciences under the knowledge review, and then 2020 QS World Ranking is by subject 551 to 600. Suddenly we jumped in 2021, 451 to 500 for the subject of life sciences. And this attempt in 2024, QS World Ranking is 351 and 400. So this progress, because of this kind of faculty, we have well-trained faculty in adjunct faculty for 26, and then number of faculty is 123, and SBST alone 94, and central faculty 29. So faculty members with the postdoctoral experience 40%, and the faculty members with the international experience 60%, and the fellow of FRSB is 26%. So already as a PG director has mentioned, 50 professors are top 2 scientists. In among 50, we have showed here our SBST faculty, Shiva, George Bridasa, Jayanti Abraham, Rasul sir, and Gaurav Bhaskar Rao. And also top 1,000 researchers in India, they were nominated as Shiva, and then George Bridasa, and then Sudhakar. So these 3 are top 100 researchers in India. So in SBST, 4 different departments are there. So I am heading the department Biomedical Sciences. So about this department have 2 different programs. One is M.Sc. Applied Microbiology, another one is M.Sc. Biomedical Genetics with the specialization of genetic counseling. This department is started in 2003 with the faculty strength is 20. So not only in academics, we also publish the papers H index is 97, and the total publication of this school is 5862, and the citation is 60,000, and the publication per faculty is 4.5, and the averaging faculty is 3.2. So, and also we involved in the getting projects in different government concerns, such as DST and then ICM or DBT. So 97 projects completed and ongoing is 46. And also we have got seed grants for 262. And consultancy, industry consultancy projects also we are getting 56 numbers, and that also into 10 lakhs. So these are the major research facilities available in our school: SBST, scanning electron microscope, bio-inspired design lab, HPLT, flow cytometry, fluorescent microscope, circular dichroism, real-time PCR, microbial, etc. So these are the research lab we have. And this is the teaching labs: cell culture lab, bioprocess lab, tissue engineering, and histopath lab. And then we have a major instruments: 3D bioprinter, and then same scanning electron microscopy, FTIR, RT-PCR, flow cytometry, HPLC, and then HPTL, seriometer, ultracentrifuge. So now students from different parts of India, across the countries. So these are the faculties available in our biomedical department, biomedical science department. So the some of the faculty list I am showing here. Overall data of the biomedical science department: faculty with PhD 100%, research grants 7 is going on now. Publication of last year 56, and the citation is 154. And there's a scholars in alone biomedical science alone 96, and the scholars with the financial aid 96. So if you get the admission, you are going to see gain the 80 credits, M.Sc. BMG and micro, with the specialization of genetic counseling. In that, we have to see the discipline core is 28 credits, and the discipline elective is 21 credits, open elective 6, and the skill enhancement is 5. It's project and internship. Before that, it's a set conference. You can not only in academics, students also involved in the research. Usually we'll call it as set project. Now it is called as a dissertation 1 and 2. Okay. So I told you already, M.Sc. Genetics have a specialization with genetic counseling. So experience the value of a genetic counselor, increase the patient satisfaction, and enhance the services you provide to your patients. Decide your own specialization area when you take this genetic counseling specialization. So 35% of the prenatal patients you can see, and then cancer genetics is 29%, and the pediatrics is 12%. Other specialties is 24%. It's based on the 2014 SNSG professional status survey. So we have the infrastructure: microbiology laboratory, and then biochemistry, bioprocess engineering lab, protein engineering, downstream processing lab, medical informatics lab, cancer research laboratory, stem cell research laboratory, tissue culture lab, and then bioinformatics lab, bio-inspired design lab. Already I mentioned this one. So in plant tissue culture, you can see research lab, this and all. Scanning electron microscope. So we have an animal facility center that also approved in the CPCSA, approved by the governments. So now we will invite the people from academic institution and industry, such as IIT, NUS, AM, states academic institution, and then the industry people will call Biocon and Pfizer Life Science. So academic program enrichment, we organize an industrial visit to explore your knowledge. We'll usually every semester we'll arrange the industrial visit for academic purpose. So academic semester abroad program, you can go for a 6 month or 1 year. This PG course for 1 year also is there for semester abroad program, and also have a club activities of the school, international summit, participation in international programs, workshops. You can, if you join, you can participate conferences, seminars, everything, workshops. So semester abroad, you can explore the knowledge, and you can establish your knowledge and network with the internationally diverse academic community, and then enhance your knowledge across cultural, language, higher education, and career opportunities. You can get the experience learning from the world-class academic environment. So we have the funding, like already I mentioned, government agency, ICMR, DST, DBT, CSR, and also we have a private agency that is in industry consultancy project, like a Biocon and Pfizer. So we have a collaboration with top class university, national in IIT Madras and SRMC Research Institute, and the international level NUS, National University of Singapore. So now I will talk about a career. After getting your degree, M.Sc., what you are going to think? So you can go for the job. Job oriented means marketing and R&D, research and development. And higher studies you can do for PhD and national and international. Already have a PG directors mentioned 500 university have a MOU with other universities. So you can see the amazing career opportunity in a scientific administrative sector, innovative and exciting research projects, invent useful technologies for agriculture, healthcare, medicine, industrial process, and environmental management, intellectually challenging and financially rewarding, and explore wide range of interdisciplinary specialization, work for the welfare of the society. So what you learned while going after getting genetic counseling or biomedical genetics? If you are going for some hospitals, you have been selected as a clinical geneticist. So you have the strong communication skills, empathy, and expertise in the genetic testing and counselings. What is the role of while going clinical genetics as? Clinical genetics work directly with the patients, assessing their genetic risks, diagnosing genetic disorders, and providing counseling. So if you are going genetic counselor, you need as a skill needed, empathy, communication, and knowledge of human genetics. Where the opportunity occur in hospitals, fertility clinics, genomic companies, legal practitioners, policymakers, academicians, entrepreneurs, and then prenatal centers. So what is the role of if you are getting the jobs? Genetic counselors provide the personalized information. If you are going as a research scientist through some academics or institutions, strong research skills you need, data analysis and critical thinking. What are the opportunities if you are selecting as a research scientist? So universities and pharmaceutical companies. You have what is the role of your research scientists conduct studies to understand the genetic variation, disease mechanism and potential treatments. If you select as a bioinformatics after getting your 2-year degree, so programming, data analysis and understanding of the genetics. What is the opportunities? Research labs, biotechnology companies, and genomic projects to analyze the large-scale genetic data using computational tools. If you selecting as a bioinformatician, and then genomic data analyst. If you going for this kind of opportunities, so genomic companies and research centers and academic institutions. So what is the role? Analyze and interpret the genomic data from the sequencing experiments, and then pharmacogenetics. These skills needed pharmacology, genetics, and clinical research. What are the opportunities available? Pharmaceutical companies available, and then clinical trials and personalized medicine. Study how genetic variations affect the drug responses. And then teaching and academia. You can go for a higher university, top class university. Teaching is mentoring and research. You will get some students. And then the opportunities in universities, colleges, and educational business. Educate the future dentist and researcher, your role. And then genetic testing laboratories. You need laboratory techniques and then quality control and reporting. So how the opportunities occur? So diagnosis labs, private testing companies, and healthcare settings. Role is performing genetic tests, interpret results, and provide the clinical insights. So policy and advocacy of the genetics. So you need the knowledge of genetics, public health, and policy making. So and the opportunities of NGOs and government bodies and advocacy organizations. A role is influence healthcare policies related to genetics. And entrepreneurship. If you want to go entrepreneurship, you can accept business acumen and creativity and risk taking. So, and the opportunities, innovative hubs, incubators, and startup ecosystems, starting genetic testing companies, consultancies, or health tech ventures. So, forensic testing and the ethical, legal, and social implications. These are the opportunities available in the different job roles. And then microbiologists. If you select as a clinical person, there are many different types of microbiology careers, medical, veterinary, and environmental, food, pharmaceutical microbiology deal with the way microbes of microorganisms affect the healthcare industry, animals, and the environment of food supply. So if you select as a clinical microbiologist, where you are going to select in hospitals, clinical laboratories, and research centers. So they analyze the patient samples, identify the pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, fungi and provide a crucial information for diagnosis and treatment. Role clinical is a clinical microbiologist work in hospitals and diagnostic labs. So if you are going a research scientist, so research institutes, universities, and pharmaceutical companies, what is your role? As a research scientist, to study the microorganisms, their behavior and interactions. They contribute to scientific advancements, drug development, and disease control. So food and beverage industries, microbiologists ensure food safety quality. This is a good beverage industry, is your role. They monitor the food production process, conduct the microbial testing, and develop preservation methods. If you're going a pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies, what is your role? Microbiologists play a key role in the drug discovery, vaccine development, and quality control. Nowadays, after COVID-19, there are many companies are producing vaccine development. So there are plenty of opportunities are available in pharmaceutical companies. So pharmaceutical firms, biotech startups, and clinical trials. These are the opportunities available in the pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies. So environmental microbiology, what are the opportunities available? Environmental agencies, research organizations, and NGOs. Role study microbial communities in soil, water, and air, assess the environmental impact, and develop strategies for pollution control. If you are going in some academic or teaching academic institution teaching, so educate future microbiologists, conduct research, and mentor the students, universities, and colleges. Okay. And quality control assurance. So manufacturing units, quality controlling labs, so role ensure product quality by monitoring the microbial contamination in various industries, like such as pharmaceuticals and cosmetics laboratory. Okay, and then public health and epidemiology. So government health departments, World Health Organization, and NGOs. So what is your role? Track the disease outbreaks, study transmission patterns, and implement preventive measures. For diagnostic microbiology, diagnostic labs, hospitals, and blood banks are available at this kind of role. Diagnostic microbiology's role is to perform diagnostic tests, identify the pathogens, and guide the treatment of decisions. Veterinary microbiology, so veterinary clinician, research centers, and animal husbandry. Study disease affect animals, developing vaccines, and improve livestock health. So not only our students not only involved in the academics, and also they are involved in the research. They have published some of the students have published papers in high impact factor in reputed journals. Here I am showing some published papers of your seniors. So high impact factor. So these are the placement records. Our students have placed major companies, AstraZeneca, and then Biocon, core company Pfizer, Sun Pharma, Bharat Biotech, Spinco Biotech. These are some major company, Anthem Bioscience, Agilent Technology, Dr. Reddy's Labs. So students are placed in some of the students I'm showing here, Navya companies, so Pharma AC, and then OG Healthcare, and then Federal Bank. The Zifo companies, Zifo is a pharma company, Tata Consultancy Service, Indigene. So students have achieved some competitive exam also, GATE. So these are the MSc and MSc students have achieved in the competitive exams, not only in the academic, they are involving in the competitive exams. Here I am showing some of the students have cleared the GATE. So all facilities are available here. Plenty of technical experts we have, and several opportunities to explore your knowledge. We are there to support. Welcome to SBST for fruitful career. We are happy to help you. That's all. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for your wonderful and excellent presentation with all required information to UG as well as PG students. Thanks a lot. Please wait, ma'am. At the end of the session, students may raise questions related to your
Yes, sir.
presentation and your
Yes,
field,
sir.
and we have to answer according to our
Yes.
expertise.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Please stop sharing the screen so that the next speaker will upload. So the next speaker is Professor S. Venkat Kumar, and Professor Venkat Kumar is here for a very long time, more than 20 years again, and he published more than 50 articles, and he headed projects, a lot of projects in his field, and he is right now the head of the department, and Right now, he is going to present about integrated M.Sc. in biotechnology. That is the 5 years course. Right now, I invite Professor Venkat Kumar to give his webinar on 5-year integrated M.Sc. biotechnology program. Sir, forum is yours.
Yes, sir. So thank you so much for the nice introduction. I hope my voice is audible. Is it audible, sir?
Yes, your voice is audible and it's in full screen mode. Please start your presentation, sir.
Okay, sir. So first of all, I'd like to thank management for providing the nice opportunity. I'd like to welcome the parents, the bright students, participants, admission director, Dean SBST, Associate Dean, HOD, and my colleagues for this wonderful session. Okay, so myself, Dr. S. Venkat Kumar, and I'm heading the Department of Integrative Biology in the School of Biosciences and Technology. In this particular forum, I'll be going with the future scope of biotechnology and what is in need and why should you pursue a career in biotechnology. So make a real difference. How it mean? So biotechnology is applied science. So you will be using your knowledge to directly develop solution for problem in health, agriculture, and the environment. So this could mean working on new medicine, creating sustainable food sources, or cleaning up pollution. And on the being on the cutting edge. So biotechnology is a constantly evolving field. By pursuing it, so you will be at the forefront of scientific discovery and innovation. And with respect to the strong job market, so the demand for the skilled biotech professional is very, very high and expect to keep growing. And there are a lot of job opportunities are there for this particular biotechnology students. And flexible career path. So biotechnology is a broad field. So you can specialize in an area that interests you, such as genetics, bioengineering, environmental studies, molecular biology, immunology. Likewise, it keeps on going. And also there are also opportunities in research, development, engineering, and it goes likewise. With respect to the biotechnology scope and salary. So as far as the salary is concerned, suppose if it is at the entry level, so after finishing your 5-year integrated program, if you are in the pharmaceutical and drug development, you will be getting a salary around 3 to 6 lakhs, depending upon the company. And for the bioprocess, 3 to 6 lakhs, bioinformatics, 4 to 7, and likewise it goes. And for the environmental biotechnology, 5 to 7 lakhs. So likewise it goes, and depending upon, suppose if you're an entry level, it will be a little more salary, and after getting experience, you will reach in terms of 20 lakhs per annum. And for in the government job also, you'll get a very good package. Suppose if you are going as a technical officer and also safety officer, you'll get a salary around 6 to 7 lakhs, and food safety officer, which comes under Food Corporation of India, your write exam. In that, you will get around 6 to 7 lakhs. And various state government food safety officer exams are also there, where you will get 5 to 6 lakhs. And there are various applications are there with respect to the biotechnology. Suppose with respect to the healthcare and medicine. So in the human healthcare, biotechnology product include quicker and more accurate diagnostic test and therapies with fewer side effects and newer and safe vaccines. Okay, so that's you can go with the healthcare and medicine. With respect to the agriculture, biotechnology provides farmers with tools that can make production at a very cheaper and more manageable one. For example, some biotechnology crops can be engineered to a specific herbicides, so which makes weed control simpler and it is more efficient also. And in terms of environmental biotechnology application include waste treatment, pollution prevention, bioremediation, and sustainable agriculture and food production. So that is with respect to the environmental biotechnology. And if you come under industrial biotechnology, it is used to produce enzymes and microorganisms to produce products that are useful to a broad range of industrial sectors, including chemicals and pharmaceuticals, human and animals nutrition, pulp and paper, textile, energy, likewise it goes on. And food and nutrition crop produced by biotechnology include soybean, corn, cotton, canola, papaya, tomato, likewise it goes. And bioinformatics provide a powerful computational tools to analyze and manage the vast amount of data generated in biotechnology research. With respect to the synthetic biology, it is a multidisciplinary field of science that focus on living systems and microorganisms, and it applies engineering principles to develop new biological parts. And so these are some of the applications of the biotechnology. And wherever you want to specialize, you can go in that particular field. Suppose after finishing your M.Sc. Biotechnology, if you want to go in terms of healthcare and medicine, you are welcome. You can go with it. And in agriculture, there are various opportunities are there. And the scope of biotechnology. So biotechnology is a multidisciplinary course that has emerged as a demanding industry during the recent years. So besides being a branch of advanced biological sciences, it has attracted many multinational companies. Those includes the production of pharmaceutical product to cure or to control many human diseases. Okay, so which includes antibiotic, vaccines, life-saving drugs, and gene therapy. And also for improvement of clinical testing and diagnostic tools, and for the production of novel variety of crop, plants, and animals, you can go with it. So COVID-19 pandemic has presented a severe crisis for humanity, and biotechnology seems to be only hope to save lives. Okay, so this has given us a very good medicine, the COVID-19. And so the vaccine which was produced, it is a biotechnology only. And because of that, so many lives we have saved it. And so many researchers across the countries are utilizing biotechnology to develop an effective vaccine against infectious diseases. So in the past, biotechnology has helped to eradicate viruses like SARS, influenza, Zika, amongst others, and that the reason why biotech companies and research organizations are optimistic for the COVID-19 vaccine as well. Apart from its challenges, COVID-19 has simultaneously brought several opportunities. Now the entire biotech industry is going through a wave of evolution. This evolution will definitely bring new job and research opportunity for the students and redefining the scope of the biotechnology. And with respect to the healthcare and medicine, so there are personalized medicines, and in it you can go with the advances in genomics, and biotechnology will enable tailored treatment based on individual genetic profiles, improving efficacy and reducing side effects. And in gene therapy, the continued development of gene editing technology such as CRISPR could potentially cure genetic disorders. And regenerative medicine, biotechnology will play a crucial role in development of tissue engineering and stem cell therapy, potentially enabling generation of damaged tissue and organs. Genetically modified organism in the agriculture. So development of crops will enhance nutritional content, resistance to pests and diseases, and tolerance to environmental stress like drought and salinity. Sustainable farming. So biotechnology will contribute to sustainable agriculture practices such as the development of bio-fertilizer and pesticides, reducing reliance on chemical input. With respect to the environmental biotechnology, bioremediation, the use of the microorganisms to clean up polluted environments such as oil spills and heavy metal removal can be done in the bioremediation. With respect to the waste management, biotechnology can improve waste treatment process and enable the production of bioenergy from the waste materials. Okay, so with the biotechnology, the waste is being converted to a useful product. In the industrial biotechnology, biofuels, and chemicals, the production of renewable biofuels and biochemicals through the fermentation of biomass, reduced dependence on fossil fuel. And in bioprocessing, enhanced microbial fermentation process for the production of enzyme, pharmaceuticals, and other industrial products. So food and nutrition, the functional food development of food product with added health benefits such as probiotics and nutraceuticals. And in the food safety, biotechnology can help increase bioproduction and improve food quality, addressing global food security challenges. So bioinformatics integrated of data analytics and computational biology to analyze complex biological data, leading to new discoveries and innovation in various biotech applications. So this all we have seen it, and with respect to the biotech global market. So the biotech global market, you can see it here. So the global biotechnology market was estimated at USD and in the trillions, in trillions. So in the year 2023, it is 1.38 trillion US dollar. So 1 trillion, it will be how many zeros you'll be knowing it. Okay, so just imagine how it is. And so in the year 2024, it is 1.54 and gradually increases. And in the year 2023, you can see US dollar of dollar trillion will be 4.25. So you kindly see how much fold it is increasing, how much is needed in the biotech market. So the biotech global market scope. So the growth rate from 2024 to 2023 being given, and CAGR of 11.8. So compound annual growth rate, it is given as 11.8%. From 24 to 33, it is increasing up to 11.8%. The market size in 2023 is only 1.38, and by 2033, it is 4.25 trillion. And the largest market is North America, and fastest growing market is Asia Pacific. Okay, and the base year it was taken from 2023, and forecast period is 24 to 2033. Okay, so the companies mentioned here are Lonza, AstraZeneca, Pfizer. So these are some of the companies which is being involved in it. And application inside in the global market. So based on the application, the biopharmacy dominate the biotechnology market during the forecast period. The increasing prevalence of diseases is mostly responsible for the growth of the segment, and the rising demand for medicine and drugs is driving and growth of the biopharmacy segment in the biotechnology market being given here. So the biopharmacy, you can see it 41.73. Bioindustry, it is 24.3, and bioagriculture, it is 20.78, and the bioscience is 7.2, and bioinformatics, it is 5.96. Biopharmacy is leading, where you can see it is 41.7. And why want to go with BIT? So in BIT is a world-class infrastructure you have. So BIT campus is over 360 acres, and which includes modern classroom, well-equipped laboratories, library, sports facilities, and there are many more other. And after coming here, we will be utilizing all those things. And global recognized degrees. VET programs are recognized globally, and its graduates are highly sought after top employees worldwide and highly qualified faculty. So VET has a team of experienced and learned professors committed to developing a top-notch education to students and diverse student community. So it attracts students from around the globe, creating a diverse and multi-cultural campus environment, promoting cross-cultural learning and understanding. And we can see from the industrial partnership, VIT has a strong partnership with leading companies, often leading to internship and job opportunity for its students, and their package of the witness. We have a dream offer and super dream offers are there in the placement. And a research opportunity, VAT encourages research and innovation and has established several research centers and laboratories to promote cutting-edge research in various fields. And many of the MSc students have published so many papers in very reputed journals with a very high impact factor. And so the companies visited VAT so far, and this is the data which is taken in the 2023. Okay, and so here it was taken in 2023 in between, and now it is 2024, and it should have crossed 1,000. Okay, so here I have not given the data here. So it is gradually increasing day by day, So many companies are coming to VAT to recruit the students of the right. And here of the top companies, so Microsoft, Edisha, Morgan Stanley, and Amazon, PayPal, Cisco. These are some of the top matching companies. So placement tracker so far at VAT. So the highest CTC, CTC is 9.23 in 2023, and by this year it will be more than this. Okay, and it is CTC is the cost to company. And the total student placed 2019 for 4,381 and graduate increases, and by the year 2023, so 14,345. And now also here the star represent was taken in the year 2023, and it was not complete. And by 2024 also, it should have crossed 15,000, because we have very huge strength, and the student faculty ratio is very minimal. We have very good faculty strength here. And so dream offers at VAT. So in the year 2019, we have first is the dream offer, and then after getting it, you can also get a super dream offer also. Super dream also you can get, and you can choose which one is the best, and among the best you can go. So that is the difference between the dream offer and super dream offer. So here the CTC minimum it will be 6 lakhs per annum, but with the super dream offer you can go with a 10 lakhs per annum. We want to go with M.Sc. Integrated Biotechnology 5-year program at the School of Biosciences and Technology. So this already ma'am have told about this particular slide, which was this school was incepted in the year 2001 and 2012. Scanning electron microscope we got during BST first in terms of pros, and 2019 India's just 10 best institute of biological sciences and 10 best research institute in India, and it was given by Insight Success and QS World University ranking by subject 551 to 600, the World University ranking by subject licenses 451 to 500, and so India's rank in 2023 is 10. So these are the milestones of SBST, and the faculty profile we have 123 in number, SBST 94 and Central Faculty 29, and 76 is of SBST, and Center it is 24% of it. And assistant professor 29 we have, associate professor 36, and professor we have 38. And also we have adjunct faculty members, where the faculty from abroad will come to VAT and take a lecture, and they will stay here and go. And the faculty members with postdoctoral experience 40%, with international experience 60%, and fellows in which was given by FRSB, which was given as FRSB, FRSC, and FLS, it is 26 number. So top 2% scientists, it was already told by our admission director, and also it was told by the other HOD ma'am also. And so research publications, we have a very good research facilities at VAT, very good instrumentation facility we have, and so many projects being completed, which was given by the government funding agency, and we have done in terms of pros. And so these are the major research facility we have: scanning electron microscope, and SPLTC, FTIR, flow cytometer, SPLC, GC, fluorescence microscopy, and real-time PCR the store pathology lab we have, animal house facility we have. Likewise, and in the classroom we have a smart board, and in the School of Bioscience and Technology we have teaching labs 16 and research lab we have 42. So you kindly imagine how the research is being given importance. 42 research lab we have. So after coming here, you can approach a particular faculty based on your research, based on your interest, and you can work in this particular lab, and that work can be published. As far as the curriculum is concerned, we frame a curriculum based upon the local need, national need, and global needs in science and engineering programs. Okay, so with respect to local, it is 28%, and with respect to national, it is 28%, and with respect to global, it is 44%. You see it here. What is involved in local and what is there in the national and what is there in the globally, with respect to the curriculum. And semester abroad program we have, student can take up their capstone project, final year project in the campus of university abroad. So you can go abroad and do your final year project. So we have so many MOU with foreign universities there. You can go and do your project for 6 months, or else you can do it for 1 year also. So depending upon how you finish your course, you can decide. And the progress of the work is monitored and will be evaluated periodically. The final viva examination for the project will be conducted, and after successful completion of the project and the arrival of the student, you have to come here and give your presentation. So this is the scenario where the student diversity we talk about. So we have from all the states we have the students, and so with respect to biotechnology, we have 63% of female and only 37% of male. From all the states we have, and also from from many of the foreign countries also, the students are doing their they are studying in biotechnology. Even one particular, a few years back, from the South Korea, many students came and do their program, BTech program they did, and also the M.Sc. also joined. So higher educational details with respect to it, some of the universities, some of the students, they after finishing their M.Sc, they for doing their PhD, they applied and they are doing their PhD abroad. And Mr. Shivakumar and Mr. Shrudidas is doing in the University of Venus. And these are some of the higher education details where the students are going with it. Only few being given as example, and there are many more other. And with respect to the publication details of the students, as I said, there are 42 research labs are there. They will approach the faculty and do their research. And as a result, those works will be published in a very good interactive journals, and you can see it here. So this is the Nandakumar and Sanjana, the M.Sc. Integrated students, and their paper was published in the Journal of Cells with impact 7.9. And Nandakumar, Sanjana again in the molecules, impact factor of 4.9 to 7, and Niveta in the chemosphere, impact factor of 8.9, impact factor, and Varsha Burgan, impact factor of 4.9, 4.05 in biomass conversion biorefinery. So the student, what is mentioned here, all are M.Sc. integrated biotech students. And notable recruiters, and it was said earlier, there are many recruiters come here and take the bright students. So these are some of the job offers which is given, which was given recently to the students. So it takes in the year June 21, they got the and Origin. Srishti Srivastava got a placement in Origin. And E-Team, Petro, Tata, and Dr. Reddy's. And also, only few being given, and many more students have been placed in a very good reputed industries. And the eligibility criteria for the integrated biotech M.Sc. 5-year program is a pass in higher second examination conducted by the state Central Board of Secondary Education, or its equivalent examination with physics, chemistry, biology, or botany, zoology as subject with a minimum of 60% overall. To complete this MSc by-year program, you have to finish 200 credit, and we have four other there are different criteria are there. So this criteria you will come to know after joining it. And the famous, it was said by Martin Luther King, if you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. So that is very much essential. And all the best to you. Thank you so much. Sir? Sir, Sasikumar sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful presentation. Now let me move on to the question and answer session. So already a lot of questions were posted. So in general, I think just now I have gone through the questions. Most of you asked whether for this particular percentage, whether I'll get the admission or not and all. See, that we cannot decide right now because still now the applications are not closed, whether it's M.Sc. or integrated M.Sc. Integrated M.Sc., the last date is 31st, and M.Sc. it's going to be the 28th. So unless otherwise the application is closed and all the marks are obtained and you're ranked, we cannot judge anything. And so please avoid that particular question. So now I'll go for a Q&A session. Okay. So the first question. Okay. Sir, for microbiology and biomedical genetics, is it applicable? Given by Anjana Prabhu. I couldn't get your question. We need more clarity in your question, Ms. Anjana. Please repost it. So, sir, counseling date, tell me again. See, M.Sc, the date will be different. Actually, originally, we gave as 12th and 13th of June. We may slightly prepone. If at all, if it's preponed, we will intimate you by email and WhatsApp. Okay. So that is a question of Muhammad Akwil. And Bhuvanesh Chaudhary, sir, how many seats are available in M.Sc. Biotechnology? Okay, that depends on the UGC's approved strength. Generally we offer 2 batches if it's going to be 2 years M.Sc. So it may be close to 100 seats. Vaishali Shivakumar, it's for PCB. What are the courses we are eligible for, sir? So you're a physics, chemistry, and biology. If you studied without mathematics, then you are eligible for integrated M.Sc. chemistry, integrated M.Sc. physics, and this integrated biotechnology and food science and technology 5 years program. So these 4 programs you are eligible. For M.Sc.
Sir,
business
your voice
statistics.
is not audible, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, for PCB, what are the courses we are eligible, sir? That is a question by Vaishali Shivakumar. You are eligible for integrated M.Sc. Physics, integrated M.Sc. Chemistry, as well as integrated M.Sc. Biotechnology, as well as integrated M.Sc. Food Science and Technology. Okay, these 4 courses you are eligible. And for M.Sc. Business Statistics, what are eligible to do it? Business Statistics session is over by yesterday itself. Please watch that session in the YouTube. And Anjana Prabhu, sir, when choice preference date is announced, as I said, will it be conducted via offline, in campus, or online? So it's online choice filling. No need for you to travel to Vellore. You can sit at your home and you can fill it. And we will give ample time. Maybe 2 days of time will be given, and you can edit your preferences at the time. And next is Ifra Maharin. How many seats are available? Already I answered this question. Rubisha Misra, sir, I have choose biotechnology, but microbiology and genetics course didn't come while choosing the course. See, while applying any one choice or 2 choice we may take, at the time of counseling, you will be getting enough number of choices. And Arkopriya Bhattacharjee, what is the normalization rule for first year droppers? See, you will be put in particular board. Okay, so whether it's a dropper or not, you will be considered along with the current students. That is the normalization procedure. And Evangeline Rose, sir, other colleges are providing BSc and direct PhD, but here in VIT it's BSc, MSc, and then PhD. So what's the difference, sir? Evangeline, actually, see here also direct PhD is possible. You have to complete 4 years a BSc program, that is honors program. Then you are eligible for direct PhD. So the same rule, whatever, see, the rule is given by UGC. Every institute cannot have their own rule. Please try to understand that. Next is Rosen Rahman. When will admission will start for MSc Business Statistics? The session is over. You watch yesterday's session in YouTube. What is the criteria for direct PhD? Please check our website, Arkopriya Bhattacharjee. And Anila Noble, sir, I'm a BVOC Applied Microbiology and Forensic Science graduate, not BSc. Can I apply for MSc Microbiology or Biotechnology? Please, in this creative itself, we gave a contact number of our office. Please call them in the working hours. Our telecallers will give you the exact information what is required by you. And is net qualification compulsory for direct PhD after integrated MSc? No need. Okay. Direct PhD is for 4 years BSc. For integrated MSc, you can go for a PhD. Okay. For both, no need of net qualification. Divya Tarani, MSc integrated degree is eligible for UPSC and TNPSC competitive exams. Yes, very much it's eligible. And where MSc Business Statistics is eligible. See, I said business statistics questions are not encouraged in this session. The experts are from Biotechnology department. And sir, Sri Lekha Minikanti. Sir, during the counseling, should we attend the respective branch and how does it proceed? See, already I gave enough information about it. Whatever you're eligible, all those branches will be available for you to choose. Okay, then you can put the preferred branches and you list it as per your priority. Okay, maybe you can put first priority as microbiology, second is biomedical genetics, and third is biotech. So in that order, it will consider. The system's algorithm will consider. Will there be any entrance exam for MSc Integrated Biotechnology before getting admission? There is no entrance examination. See all our creatives. We clearly mentioned there is no entrance examination. How many seats already I answered? Do we get seat in VIT? Yes, you will get if you have a good mark percentage, overall mark percentage. Placement record for MSc Biotech. Already, I think this was given by one of the speaker. No entrance exam. Total seats for MSc Microbiology. Enough, I explained already. Sir, what is the curriculum and how many elective subjects are we supposed to choose? Monisha Chatterjee, you didn't mention which subject. Okay, so curriculum, actually totally you have to complete. If it's 2 years MSc, it's going to be 80 credits you have to complete. And elective subjects, maybe 3 or 4 you have to do. How to apply for MSc in microbiology? Integrated MSc in microbiology, we are not offering. It's only 2 years MSc microbiology. Date is, choice preference dates will be announced by this month end. What companies for recruiting MSc Biotechnology students? Ma'am, please can you explain what all the companies come for MSc Biotechnology? 2-year MSc
Sir,
Biotechnology.
that is Arnold Emerson.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir, please, sir.
Sir, what are the companies?
No, he's asking, Ramesh Anant is asking, what companies come for recruiting MSc Biotechnology students? He's asking whether it's IT company or core biotech company, sir.
Sir, for MSc 2-year program, we invite companies mostly from like core, dream offer we are providing, like Bharat Biotech, Biocon, and most of the pharmaceutical industries like Pfizer. So these are the
Okay.
companies we are inviting. So not only this, there are a lot of other companies like nowadays startups are there, and they're also coming to us and they want the students to involve in that project. So mostly core, and then In addition to that, if students are willing to work in other areas also, we are providing a campus interview for the students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hope Ramesh and you got the answer for your question. Next is Yashashwini. You asked about whether you can upload the 6th semester result. Yes, you can. You have edit option until 28th. You please edit it. All certificates you scan together and again edit the certificate upload and upload it. How to be eligible for direct PhD? Enough it's explained. Please check the website. Any scholarship for GATE qualified 3-year BSc student joining MSc in biological sciences. Yes, but it all depends on the cutoff marks what we fix for GATE. Sir, other colleges provide BSc and direct PhD. Evangeline Rose, enough I answered this question. Don't post it repeatedly. And Divya Tarni, 69.6% in CBSE board will get admission in MSc integrated program, sir. Possibility is there, but which branch we are not sure because you didn't mention whether you are PCB or PCMB. And Sri Lakshmi, sir, I secured 82. See, please don't post your marks and ask for admission. There is a possibility for every percentage. It all depends on which course you will get. And Evangeline Rose, repeatedly you're copying and pasting the things. I'll block. So all are repeated. Okay. Secured, other, okay. Sir, can a CGPA below 9 in UG get a seat in MSc Microbiology? See, possibility is there. It all depends on the competition between the applicants. And next to Sri Nanda applied for this course. And I think you asked for some application related query. Please contact our office. The number is given in the creative. What you saw in your email or WhatsApp, you have the creative, and that itself, the phone number is given. Tomorrow you call in the working hours. Is SAP is applicable for MSc Biomedical Genetics? Ma'am, I think it's your area, biomedical genetics. Please say SAP is
Yes,
applicable
sir.
for MSc.
Yes, sir. They can go for abroad countries, sir, for SAP projects.
Okay,
They are
semester
eligible.
abroad program is available.
Yes.
Amrita Malini,
Yes.
hope your question is answered. Okay. Again, the same kind of questions. So any application related query, please contact our office. This is not the forum to discuss about it. Okay, and okay, anything related to your document uploading also call our office. Sir, can you give some information about hostel procedures later? Shagufta Bashir, actually, hostel related thing, they themselves will contact you once if you get admission. Okay, it's not for everyone. We have to provide that information. Only those who got admission, they'll receive the information very soon through email. Yeah, next question is, sir, I have opted for integrated MSc Biotechnology. Are integrated degrees recognized by international universities and research institutes in India like IIT, IISc, etc.? See, either they themselves they are offering, but anyway, I leave it to the speaker. Ma'am, I think this is your domain, please, ma'am.
That is MSc integrated
Hello,
biotech.
hello,
It's
sir.
not.
Okay,
Hello,
is
sir.
it?
Dr. Venkat. Yes, Dr.
Yes,
Venkat
yes,
here, sir.
Venkat, sir.
Yes, it is
Okay,
a
it's your
well.
yeah.
Yes, sir. So MSc integrated, you can. It's a well reputed course, and wherever you want to join, after that also you can join. Suppose you want to do your PhD, it is welcome to go with any institute you can go. Even in foreign universities, many students are there. I have given in my presentation also where the students are doing their PhD and where they are being placed and those being given. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. When will we get the rank list? It's Vardhan Lakshmanan. See the rank list along when you attend the counseling, you will get. If it's going to be integrated MSc, then it's going to be June 4th, you may get. And for a 2-year MSc, it will be June 12th. Okay, then I think Evangeline Rose continuously posting so many things. What is it's a Nirundiya MS. Sir, what are the fundamental differences between B.Tech Biotech and 5 years integrated M.Sc. Biotech? Venkat Kumar sir, please answer this question. What is the difference between B.Tech Biotech and 5 years integrated M.Sc. Biotech? So please unmute and then speak. Venkat Kumar sir?
Yes, sir. Sir, with respect to BTech and MSc integrated, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Yeah. So in BTech Biotechnology, it's a 4-year course. And so for entering into BTech Biotechnology, you have to write VIT examination, VIT to triple examination you have to write. And based upon the rank, you can come to BTech Biotechnology. And as far as MSc Integrated Biotech is concerned, and after we are told, it's a 5-year course. And in the 5-year course, you have to go with 200 credits. 200 credits you have to go. And after completion of 200 credits, you will be given a degree of MSc. It's a master degree. And as far as BTech is concerned, you will get a UG degree. There will be a slight difference in the courses will be there, and with respect to the level of the curriculum also it will differ. Okay, and the elective it will be low in BTech Biotechnology, whereas in MSc integrated, since you are going with PG, the courses involved and with the project involved, so everything it will be high.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for that clarification. Okay. Okay. Problem in uploading the mark sheets, please contact our office in the given number. When we are going to get the shortlist, already enough I informed about it. When is the counseling for MSc Business Statistics? Yesterday's session you see. Okay. Okay. Same questions is repeated. Why work an office job in a company after studying? Which company? I think Bhavani Chitra. We couldn't understand your question, but I think limit your comments. Otherwise, you will be blacklisted and will take action. I have Mohammed Faraz Afan. I have applied for MSc Microbiology in VIT Vellore. Okay, 6th semester results are not out yet. So, will I be eligible for the admission process? If yes, then how I'm going to be shortlisted for VAT? See, up to 5th semester you upload, and based on that we will calculate the percentage and we will include. So, even if you don't get the 6th semester mark sheet, you don't worry. Whatever the available mark sheets you uploaded, based on that you will be shortlisted. Okay, sir, Nirindya MS, sir, being a female candidate, I'm curious to know if there are any gender bias and its consequences observed in the field of biomedical and biotech sciences and industry. And what's the ratio of girls to boys ratio opting integrated MSc biotech, sir? Sir, Venkat Kumar, sir, please answer this question.
Yes, sir. So as far as biotech is concerned, so we have 60 percentage of girls and 40 percentage of boys. Why? Because so many of the students they want to do their research after finishing their degree, and so then the industry also prefer some of the to develop their product. They need efficient candidate, and the efficient candidate they have to do their research, and this research they are getting very good result from the female candidate than the male candidate. So that is one of the reasons where the biotech students where you can see most girls than boys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Applied for M.Sc. 2 years course in biological sciences, which include all three subjects. I'm appearing. Okay, the same question, 6th semester mark sheet. You can submit it later. It's not an issue. Okay. Okay, same mark sheet issues. Many of you asked. I'll go for the reason questions. Sir, the next question is also for you. Will A and ML be included in the biotech curriculum? I'm not sure whether it's for
Yes, sir.
2 year
Yes, sir.
MSc. It's there?
Sir, actually, this is regarding the tuning program. We have our school is offering two tuning programs. One is M.Sc. Biotechnology, specialized in phytotherapy and phytomedicine. The another tuning program is M.Sc. Biotechnology, specialized in artificial intelligence. So these are the two programs. Once the students have enrolled in the M.Sc. Biotechnology, they will be given a choice to choose either they want specialization. These specialization programs are offered by French universities.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Sneha asked about how to edit my updated documents. Same doubt, sir. Please call our office. We gave the number. See, that is the purpose why we are giving now the contact number. You don't see the creative fully. Please check and then call. Sir, I tried calling the given contact number multiple times for 2 days, but I couldn't reach them to inquire. I think this is a wrong information. You have to call between 9:30 to evening until 6:30 or 7. Definitely our telecallers are available. Maybe the line may be busy as someone else may be inquiring. So keep trying. Definitely you will get. And most of the time I'm seeing them. They are free. They talk and they are free also. So you have to wait and call. That's the only thing. Mukesh Kumar, sir, I have completed the BSc Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology in Madras University. Is that I'm eligible for M.Sc. Biotechnology? Sir, M.Sc. 2 years Biotechnology, he is asking. Arnold, sir.
Sir, the question, sir, I didn't listen.
Question is, I had completed the BSc Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology in Madras University. Whether I'm eligible for M.Sc.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Biotechnology?
So the students, those who are
Your
coming from background with the biology, even zoology, botany, they are eligible for M.Sc. Biotechnology.
Thank you, sir. Mukesh Kumar, hope your question is answered. Can you explain about the placement opportunities at VIT Vellore for MSc Chemistry? See, why are you asking here? It's a 21 batch, a BCH. So I don't know who's the student. And so that session, it got over by yesterday. The HOD was available yesterday and she gave the details of the companies visiting and all details about the students who went abroad. So you might have attended the yesterday session. This is not your session. General DAA. Are MSc students given equal importance in campus placements as with BTech and MTech biotechnology? Sir Arnold, sir, the question is for you.
Yes, sir. So, yes, it's important that all our students, those who are studying in VIT, are eligible to attend the campus interview. Particularly when it comes to dream offer, only the specialized students are allowed to sit in the dream offer. Rest, all the students are eligible to sit in companies which VIT is offering.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Okay. Most of the questions are repetition. Integrated MSc Biotechnology. What are the specializations available in MSc? See, integrated MSc Biotechnology, it's a course in which no specialization we are offering. Is that the MSc Microbiology students can place in core company? And what about the package they offer? So for MSc Microbiology.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes, ma'am, please.
companies are taking a core company only, but the package, I don't know, depends upon the student performance.
Okay.
So mostly they will come core company, OG Healthcare and then Bharat Biotech.
Madam, I think she gave the list also. A few students' name and
I
the
couldn't see,
companies
sir. I
visiting.
couldn't see.
That's what. Okay, next is Priyadarshini Kumar. Do biomedical genetics have recruitment session too? How does it proceed, sir? Ma'am, I think this is
So
also
it's,
for you.
yeah,
Biomedical.
it's have a recruit section, sir. Yeah, it's have.
Okay. Uh, Supriya Kandarpa. What will be the CTC for M.Sc. Biotechnology? Sir, Arnold, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the questions,
What will be the CTC for M.Sc. Biotechnology?
CPC.
the annual package, sir.
Package they're asking.
Yeah, so it differs, sir. Say, for example, if the students are placed in core companies, they are having very good annual package. Whereas the students those are placed in like pharmaceutical companies, they will be less because they'll be in the training in the field work. So they will be getting not compared to the dream offer. There'll be the package will be less and but our students not only biotech companies as well as drug companies, students are going beyond that. They are also working in other companies like in, say for example, designing. They want to interested in Photoshop, or they are involved that Photoshop skills in they're creating the pathways and creating the tissue diagrams. So these are also companies we are inviting to generate the computational aspects of biology.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next is Amanda AR. What are the companies that come for integrated M.Sc. Food Science and Technology? I would like to know the placement package for this course. So any one of you can answer? I think the experts are not available here. Probably you can call our telecallers, they'll have the detail. And the concerned staff member who's handling these applications, they'll be knowing it. Maria Jacinta, sir, can we discuss about the fee structure for M.Sc. Biotechnology? Everything is given in the brochure and in the website. Please check. Go to the PG, simply search in Google that PG admissions VIT. It will take to our landing page. There you can click the course, 2 years course or 5 years course. There, every course we gave the fee structure. Everything is transparent. Okay. Will M.Sc. integrated students will receive mail or message through WhatsApp, sir, to know about the further details. See, you will receive both. Okay. Once of the process is done, we will be sending it. M.Sc. Microbiology, Mohammad Faraz Afan. M.Sc. Microbiology. Do we study the new and latest topics or we follow old subject? Madam Devi Rajeshwari, ma'am, please answer this question.
Yes, sir. So we have revamped this curriculums last 6 months before, sir. It's a new syllabus only.
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, it's
When
every year in BOS we will be doing. BOS will
Yes.
be conducted twice or thrice, and at the time we will edit the subjects with the help of industry experts and academy experts.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
So 24 batch, they will get new curriculums.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And Monisha Chatterjee, curriculum for integrated biotechnology. See, they are keep on posting the questions. I'm unable to even read. A curriculum for integrated biotechnology, a number of elective subjects. See, once if you get admitted, all these informations will be given in the orientation program given by the concerned school. Now itself, no need to know that. First you get selected, then you just check for it. Why are you not talking about food science? In today's session, we didn't list it. That's the reason. We will check with the school and we will conduct a session on it. Akshaya MH, sir, will there be an alteration in fee structure based on merit list, or will it be same as the one specified in the brochure? No hidden cost and all. Whatever we mentioned in the brochure, that only we will charge, not anything extra. Manula MG, repeatedly you are posting this question. You uploaded 2 to 6 mark list because first semester results are not yet published. See, how comes? If you are able to get second to sixth semester mark sheets, then you should have first semester also. But this query, you just check with the telecallers. Already I said we gave the number, you call them and check it out. Sir, Roshini SB, sir, I have completed my BSc Biotech in 2023, above 8 CGP out of 10. 1 year due to a personal reason. I think you are asking about the break. For PG, there is no age limit, so it's not an issue. Tendril DAA, may I please know who's eligible for Dream and Super Dream career placement in M.Sc. Biotechnology? See, once if you get selected, definitely the HODs will explain in the induction program. Aishwarya I have made mistake in application. Can I edit application? Yes, you can edit the application. If you are unable to do it, just contact our telecallers. Again and again asking about the number of seats. In the integrated M.Sc. Biotech, does the student get more exposure to labs compared to B.Tech Biotech, or they are equal? Sir, integrated M.Sc. Biotechnology. Venkat, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, and so here we have a component of project internship of 17 credits. 17 credits, where as a elective course, they can take the project also. Apart from last year final year project, they can do in between project also, they can go with it. So since it is a PG course, they will go with more projects than bigger.
Thank you, sir. So, Ramya Sundar, hope you got the answer. So, I think we have to wind up because the same people, they are posting the same questions. And you're asking about the admission. See, we cannot confirm. This is a webinar. Try to understand the limitations here. Okay. So, with this, we wind up the session. The last one question we will take, which is best for the future, M.Sc. Microbiology or M.Sc. Genetics? See, it all depends on your interest. Okay, we cannot decide what is best and what is worst. See, everything is a good studies, and any education is for the betterment of your life. Okay, please avoid posting these kind of questions. Okay. So with that, let me wind up the session. I thank every speaker for the valuable talk, and they gave all kind of information starting from curriculum and the research opportunities up to placement, everything they covered. So I thank Professor Arnold and Professor Devi Rajeshwari and Professor Venkat Kumar for their time. It's almost 2 hours they presented and they answered the questions. Thank you so much, sir and
Thank you, sir. Thank you
madam.
so much, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
yeah,
Thank you
I
so
wish
much,
to
sir.
see all the aspirants to see here at VIT. Wish you all the best in all your endeavors. So good night. See you at VIT very soon. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Take care, sir.